Aloha, this is Keema, and I'd like to invite you to join me in doing some yoga, some body movement. Maybe we add in a little bit of qigong, or maybe there's some meditation or some energy healing, but yoga-like class essentially. And it's going to be virtual. So what I'd like to do is to be able to connect with you for 10, 15 minutes just to talk to you, find out what your needs may be, and to make sure it's a good fit. So you can go to my website and you'll see the button there. When you click on it, it'll just be a little form that will ask for your name and email address, and we can chat a bit and just make sure everything is on the up and up. So if that's something that's of interest to you, just reach out to me and I will get back to you ASAP. You take care. Aloha.